Here is how to gift a game on Steam. So first, you need to go ahead and launch your Steam application on your device and make sure that you've added the person you want to gift the game to as a friend. Now go to the Steam store and find the game that you want to gift and click on that specific game. Then after, click on Add to Cart. Click on View My Cart option. Now tap on this option right here and click on this drop-down menu. Now you'll get the option of this is a gift. Make sure that you select it. Then select Continue to Gift Options and tap on the option of Select Gift Recipient. Use this search bar to search for your friend. Simply enter your friend's name, and once they appear, tap on their name and click on it. Then you can also add a personal message like happy birthday or anything. And then under delivery, you can choose to send the gift as soon as possible or schedule it for a specific date. Finally, click on Continue to Payment and choose your payment method and complete the purchase. The gift will be sent to your friend and they can accept it and add the game to their library. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.